This is the life, Zara. A perfect evening by the...
Absolutely, Zia. But something tells me it won't.
Let's see how they handle a little chaos. The banquet is in jeopardy as chaos unfolds.
Oh no! The hors d'oeuvre!
Best of luck catching that, you two.
Cart races ahead as Zia and Zara team up to stop it.
Zara, watch out for the bench!
Nice try, Milo, but we've got this.
These floats are in my way!
And just the boost we need.
You did it, Zia! The banquet is saved! Teamwork always wins, Zara.
All right, fine. That was impressive. Thanks, Milo. Maybe next time you will help instead of hinder.